Hey Todd, Daniel Rogers here from the Church Creative Group. Just going to show you how to shorten your clips on YouTube real quick. You want to start by clicking on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the screen and going to Creator Studio. I'm just a manager on this channel, so that I don't have to change what account I'm using over and over again. But anyways, you just come up here and you click on Creator Studio. It'll take you to this page right here. When you get to this page, you can go to Content. I go to Live, and this only works on your latest live video. To do it a different way, I'll show you how to do that in a second. But what you want to do is go into Details, click Editor, and now you hit Trim. Then you want to zoom in just a tad. Let's say that I really liked this song. I'm not sure what song this is. Have a Little Talk with Jesus. There we go. So you want to zoom in on that song. You know, kind of go to where it starts. Looks like it starts about right there on my screen. Then I go grab the other side. Bring it on in. I could have alternatively zoomed out to make that happen. I go to where the song looks like it ends, right about there. And you can, press spacebar to test this, of course. But when you do this, you don't want to click Save. If you click Save, it's going to mess you up, right? If you click Save, it's going to send you to send this to your current video and mess up your current video. You don't want to do that. So instead, you want to hit the three dots at the top right and hit Save as New. When you hit Save as New, it'll give you the chance to, change the title, do private, unlisted, public, whatever. And you can take little small sermon clips. You can take long sermon clips. We take out all of our sermons and post them as standalone videos, and this is the way we do it. But let's say for some reason it doesn't give you the Save as New option. What do you do then? Well, then you're going to download one of two programs. Both have tons of tutorials online and pretty good communities online for you to figure stuff out in. One is called HitFilm Express, and it is free. And the other one is called DaVinci Resolve, and it is free. These not only let you cut your videos, but they also let you change the ratio, like the aspect ratio of your video. So if you want it to be on a phone screen, like a TikTok video, or like an Instagram story, or something like that, then you can make it that, resolution. The way that you would do that is you would go into this, either the live stream if you want to download the whole thing. If you want to download just a video, you just click on the three options there, the three dots, and then hit download. And sometimes it takes a little bit to download. Sometimes it just downloads right away. But all you got to do is just go in there and hit download, and then you're done. It'll pop up in your downloads folder on your computer. You drag that into DaVinci Resolve or into HitFilm, watch a couple tutorials on how to do some edits, and then you're good to go. You're golden for free. Now, if you've got the $35 a month or whatever it is to use the app that the other people were talking about, that's all fine and great. But if you're like our congregation and you need to, look, we got like 90 something subscribers. You don't really have the funds to do something like that right now. So if you're like us, you need to go the free way, but that means, putting some elbow grease into it and learning some tips and tricks like this, and free software to use so that you can do it on your own. It's way more convenient to have the apps, but if you're like us, you need to do it this way. Hope that helps. Have a great day. May God bless you in all that you do.